So you want your hair to flip up in the back. How do you get that to happen? Well, it's all about the haircut and the hair length. So if you're somebody who wants to have kind of that textured, more flipped out, messy hair in the back like this, and you want to see those pieces, maybe not as extreme, but something even just a little bit like this, right? You're looking for that texture. How do you go about doing that? If you're someone who has longer hair in the back, for example, however, if it's not layered, chances are your hair is just too long in that area. So if you can grab your hair and literally pull it straight out and it keeps going and going and going, chances are it's never going to flip or have any sort of movement or texture because it's too long. If you can actually lift your hair and pull it out like this, see how it's going just to the tips right there? And if that's how long you want your hair or how much you want it to flip out, then you're on the right track, okay? Like this. Now, again, if it's way out here, guess what? That hair is falling flat down. If it's pulled out, even if it's a finger length, like this, then that's what you're looking for. So how do you go about getting that done? Well, it really depends on the person who's cutting your hair. But the best way to do it, and hopefully they do this with the technique, and it's kind of hard to do it yourself at home, to be honest with you, because it's really about layering the hair. But if you're getting your hair cut, and you can even ask them to do it, say, can you pull the hair out horizontally, which is this way, vertically is up and down. Think of the horizon as level or across or flat this way. So can you horizontally pull the hair out so I could see what's happening? And then they can literally just pull it out from the head this way, horizontally, not this way. This way is important when cutting, but if they can cross-check it, and if you pull your hair out, the minute you're done getting your hair cut and they put those scissors down, and you go like this, and you keep pulling and pulling, and you're like, okay, this hair is just way too long back here, it's never gonna flip out. Tell them, or even watch them. So if they're pulling it out and you can see that they're cutting and that hair length that they're pulling from the head is just as long as you want it to be to flip, that's great. What you don't want is them to hold it too short and cut it too short, or take clippers back here and buzz it off. If that person does that, then I hate to say you're actually screwed, all right? But if you can just pull the hair out like this and get that right length, that perfect length, then you're gonna be in good position. And then how do you style it? Well, while you're styling it, what you can do is you can flip your hands up like this when you're blow drying it. So it's all about out. Lift from the scalp and pull outwards this way. Lift and pull out. Lift and pull, like that. So once you do that, you know, you could then do it with like my tidal wave spray while the hair is wet, just get some texture and just play around, mess it up. Just get it to where you want it to be. And it's all about kind of playing around. But as far as getting it to do that, you need the right haircut. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.